In this 55-second feature video, I'm going to go over another reason why we, at Leer, confidently stand behind every unit that leaves our facilities, our walk-in entry door. As an industry leader, Leer's soft rail entry doors are constructed with a 12-gauge steel inner frame in the door jamb. Along with the steel frame, we foam and place steel plates in the door plug. This enables us to mount the hinges, latch, and hydraulic door closer from steel to steel mounting points. This provides you with the most durable and reliable door available. While there may be lower cost alternatives in the market, those doors may prematurely sag and fail. As the door sags, warm, moist air begins to infiltrate the box, resulting in increased refrigeration cycles, energy consumption, and in freezers, excessive ice buildup. It is common for other doors to need replacement within 5 to 7 years due to sag. It will cost in excess of $2,500 to replace an inferior door, along with the hassle and inconvenience. We believe Leer doors will provide far superior performance and will stand the test of time. Our steel frame doors are in-fitting, flush-mounted, and available in 10 sizes, in finishes to match or complement your walk-in panels. Check out our video library on leerinc.com for more 55-second feature videos.